So, the recent episode of the Made by Google podcast explores the cutting-edge video boost and night sight video features, which made their debut alongside the Pixel 8 Pro in December. Google's ambition with these features is lofty, to deliver what it claims will be the best video quality ever seen on a smartphone, with the Pixel 8 Pro serving as the launch platform, before potentially expanding to other models in the Pixel lineup. Although night sight video hasn't garnered the same level of attention as its photographic counterpart did upon its initial release, this lack of fanfare may be due to its limited availability rather than a lack of innovation. The impetus for developing these features stemmed from user feedback, which indicated a strong desire for enhancements in low-light video performance. Consequently, night sight technology became a focal point for improving video content across various lighting conditions. The architectural foundation of Video Boost, which operates on a cloud-based framework, grants Google the flexibility to process frames with a level of computational power that exceeds the capabilities of current smartphones. A critical aspect of this endeavor was ensuring temporal consistency throughout the video recording process, to prevent disruptions in color reproduction or sudden changes in brightness that could detract from the viewing experience. In addition to catering to low-light scenarios, Video Boost enhances daytime video recordings through a suite of features including HDR+ processing, vibrant color reproduction, enhanced contrast, improved detail retention, and advanced stabilization techniques. Despite its emphasis on low-light videography, Google's marketing strategy places a greater emphasis on Video Boost over night sight video. Looking ahead, Google remains steadfast in its commitment to advancing on-device video quality and performance with each subsequent iteration of Pixel devices. The podcast tantalizingly hints at the future with a brief mention of the upcoming Pixel 9, suggesting ongoing efforts to develop new features and upgrades. While the mention of the Pixel 9 is unsurprising, speculation continues regarding the potential inclusion of Pro or XL variants in the lineup, keeping enthusiasts eagerly awaiting further details. In summary, the Made by Google podcast sheds light on the groundbreaking Video Boost and night sight video features, underscoring Google's commitment to pushing the boundaries of smartphone video quality. With promises of continued innovation and improvements in the pipeline, the Pixel series remains at the forefront of mobile photography and videography. So, what do you guys think about the upcoming Google Pixel 9 series? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video.